Hello everyone, welcome to my platform and thank you are here in my video. I am Jimmer Quakin, an information system student. Number 1. Which language is closest to the machine code? C. Assembly. Assembly language uses symbolic representation of the machine code instruction, making it the closest to actual machine code compared to the Java, Python, and HTML. Number 2. Which translate high-level code into machine code. B. Compiler. A compiler translates high-level source code into machine code that can be directly executed by the computer processor. Number 3. What does IDE stand for? Letter B. Integrated Development Environment or IDE. Which which is software suite that consolidates basic tools required to write and test software. Number 4, which is example of high-level language. B. Java. Java is a high-level programming language, whereas binary as binary and assembly are low-level language, and Morse code is a method transmitting text information as a series of on-off tones, lights, or clicks. Java is B. Platform independent. Java is designed to the platform independent, meaning it can run on various operating systems without needing to be compiled. Number 6. The process of writing computer instruction is called programming. Programming is the act of composing is a sequence of instruction that a computer can follow to perform a specific task. Number 7. The Java compiler file is named Java. Java is the command line tool include the Java development kit that compiles. Java is the command line tool include the Java development kit that compiles Java source code or Java files into Java bytecode class file. Number 8. An interpreter executes code by line. An interpreter reads and executes code on line at a time as opposed to a compiler which translates to the entire before execution. Number 9. Assembly language use short human readable observation called mnemonics to represent machine code and instruction, making it easier to write and understand compared to raw binary code. Number 10. In Java statement end with a semicolon. In Java, semicolon is used to mark the end of a statement. It tells compiler that statement is complete and that can move to the next statement. Number 11. Machine language uses 0 second and 1 second. True. Machine language is the most basic level of programming language, consisting of the binary code 0 second and 1 second. They directly instruct to the computer's hardware. Number 12. Java program can only run on Windows. True. Java's platform independence achieved through the Java Virtual Machine or JVM allows to Java program to run and various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Number 13. A compiler translates code before execution. True. A compiler processes the entire source code and translates into the machine code or bytecode in one go, creating executable file that can be run later. Number 14. IDEs help programming. Number 14. IDEs help programmers write and test code. True. IDEs provide features like code highlighting, debugging tools, and testing frameworks, which streamline the development process. Number 15. The system println is used to take input from the user. True. System out println is specifically designed for outputting text to the console. Write input operation require different methods like using the scanner class to the read user input from the keyboard.